Yeah, ma'am, you can continue.
Okay. So this was the start. X for abscissa, Y for ordinate, and we're going down. If this is our Cartesian, what we should remember, this is your first quadrant, this is your second, this is third, and this is fourth. I know it's too basic, but it's okay. Remember, here x is positive and here y is positive. Both of them are positive. So your x will also be positive, y will also be positive. In this side, what happens? X is negative and y is positive. So x is negative, y is positive. But when you come to the next side, x is negative, y is also negative. So that is why this is negative, comma, negative. Here x is positive, y is negative. Okay, that's also very important to know. Now, abscissa, we also say when this is your graph, and suppose my dot is here, I say 4 comma 3. Suppose I'm saying 4. 4 is this distance. Distance from the This is the distance from the x-axis. This is the distance from the x-axis, and this is the perpendicular distance from the y-axis. Is that correct? Perpendicular distance from the y-axis. Abscissa of every point. Now just remember this, if your point is lying on here, what is x-axis for this particular point A? Is 0. When any point lies on y-axis, x is 0, and any point lies on x-axis, y is 0. That you have to remember. Find the coordinate of the... So there are only two formulas in this particular chapter. One is distance formula and one is section formula. Distance formula is the one that we are going to do today. Very easy chapter, kids. Easy to score marks also. Distance formula is the one which we are going to learn. Suppose first we need to understand how to derive the equation. I don't want to tell you only the formula. I want you to understand it. So please pay attention. If this is your plane, now suppose we have a point P here and we have a point Q. Huh? What? Ibrahim!
Man, his voice is still on.
What did I say? Ibrahim? I can't understand. Somebody dub for him, or else you type. Oh, he left. Atisha is not there today.
Ma'am, is it fine now?
Yeah. Tell.
So like, do you have to draw the graph based on the question and then do this?
Most of the times it is like that only. Okay, just
Okay.
wait. I will explain this. After that, you can take it down. Okay, this is PQ. So now my question is to find the distance between P and Q. What is the distance between P and Q? So for you to understand, P is a point here. What is the coordinate of P? X1, comma y1. What is the coordinate of q? x2 comma y2. Is it clear? So this is the coordinate. Now to understand, see here. If I draw a line like this, see, just understand, if I draw a line like this, see, this is the distance, perpendicular distance from the y-axis. Do you see that? Oh God, my charger. Where is charger? DAY1, what happened? Yeah. Do you see this thing? If I say, please understand, very important. If I say this is 0, this is 1 and this is 2. So my x-axis is 2 here. That means 2 is the perpendicular distance from the y-axis. So 2 is the abscissa, or we can say x coordinate. So the question can come anyway. It can confuse you for MCQ. The perpendicular distance from y-axis is called abscissa. Similarly, if I have to look at point y, look, if I come here, so what is this thing? What is this y? This is the perpendicular distance from the x-axis. Is that correct? So that is when Hassan said abscissa is the perpendicular distance from y-axis. I wanted to explain you that. Okay, so abscissa is the perpendicular distance from the y-axis, and orbit is ordinate is the perpendicular distance from the x-axis. So to make it easy, we say x coordinate and y coordinate. So now if this is the case, if I have to find PQ, remember that is done through Pythagoras theorem only. If I join these two, it makes a 90-degree right angle triangle. Is it clear? So only then I can use Pythagoras theorem and find out PQ. So now what you have to understand is this is x. What is the coordinate of my n point? N. So now if you, hello, guys, you have to say okay, otherwise it will be
Yes, ma'am.
difficult. Please look at this and tell me what will be the measurement of Pn. Just tell what will be the measurement of Pn. Any idea? See? Ah,
X
come on.
x1 minus x2.
X1 is smaller number, no? 2.
No, x2 minus x1. My bad.
X2 minus x1. If it is 3, if it is 4, if it is 5, so this is 5. So if I put a perpendicular here, this is 5. This part is 5. So x2 minus x1 is my Pn. And what is my Qn? My Qn is what? Yeah, come
Y2
on.
minus Y1.
Y2 minus y1. So now if I have to find PQ using Pythagoras theorem, I will say PQ square is equal to Pn square plus Qn square. Am I correct? Substitute the value. Pn is what? X2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Am I correct? So that's your PQ. So PQ is this under root difference of abscissa square plus difference of ordinate square. What is it?
Ma'am, can't you just put Pn as 4?
Huh? Can't you just put?
Pn as 4.
Here the value is given. I am telling you the general formula.
Okay.
So this is your general formula. If you have to learn also, you will say under root difference of abs absca whole square plus difference of ordinate whole square. Okay, so this is the most important formula which will help you to get lot and lot of marks.
So difference of abscissa is basically x2 minus x1, right?
Exactly, always. It's not x1 minus x2, it is x2 minus x1 and y2 minus y1. It becomes easy for you to remember because you have to understand this difference is your one side, this difference is your second side. Once you get it clear, more than half of your job is done. Let's do a question.
Ma'am, I was in writing. Can you give me a minute?
Oh,
So what we are finding is the distance between P and Q, right?
yeah, we are finding the length of PQ. Distance is nothing but the length of PQ.
Okay, ma'am. So you have to use this formula for like this. You can't choose anything else.
Yeah, we will do one or two questions now. We will get pure idea. Okay.
Ma'am, why is it x2 minus x1 again?
Hmm.
Why is it x2 minus x1 again?
Otherwise, how will you find this distance? Tell me. This
Wouldn't,
distance.
wouldn't there be values already given?
Why do you learn a plus b whole square?
Because math.
That's identity, right? Same way, it's a formula. You have to know the general formula which has to be incorporated in different questions. Chalo, let's do a question.
Ma'am, one more second.
Hmm?
One more second. Can you show that? Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. Done. I just took a screen.
Do it fast. Hmm?
അവൻ പകരം കത്രയിൽ കാത്തിരുന്നെ തിന്നാതെ ഇപ്പൊ തിന്നാതെ രക്ഷയില്ലായിരുന്നു. And can you show the question again?
You can feel my head is so
ആ
lighted.
കേട്ടോ അപ്പൊ എന്താ ചെയ്യാ?
I had current habit.
അവന് താഴെ ഒന്നും പോരാ, അവന് അവണക്കണ
അവണക്കണ്ണ കുറച്ച് കൊടുക്കുവോ? കട്ടൻ കാപ്പിയില് അവണക്കണ്ണ ഒഴിച്ചു കൊടുത്താൽ മതി, അപ്പൊ അറിയൂല.
I don't want cotton candy.
യു വണ്ണോ ഇത്ര മതി, കുറച്ച് ലൈറ്റ് ആക്കിയിട്ട് പഞ്ചസാര ഇട്ടോ അവണക്കണ്ണി ഇട്ടോ അപ്പൊ പോകും. പക്ഷെ ചുടുവെള്ളത്തിന് വേണ്ടി ടേസ്റ്റ് കിട്ടൂലേ, പഞ്ചസാരയുള്ള കട്ടൻ കാപ്പി ആകുമ്പോ അറിയാതെ തന്നെ കുടിച്ചോളും. ഒരു സ്പൂണൊക്കെ ഇട്ടോട്ടോ നന്നായിട്ട്.
Can we to buy a big lace for Mama? Make that egg thing. Mom, can you show the question?
Me and mommy were watching. Me and mommy were watching Facebook reels. Like, you know how the rupees are places? Some lady, she visited the whole places that are there in the rupees. stupa, and then the Red Fort and all. Mommy was thinking we let Daku come to Wayanad.
I know.
Yeah,
homework చేయించా
ഞാൻ ചെയ്യിപ്പിക്കത്. ഇന്നലെ Daku full convincing ആയിരുന്നു. ആമാ ഞാൻ ഇരുന്ന് ചെയ്യാം. Okay. എവിടെ സമയം പോകും? അവര് എൻജോയ്മെന്റ് ഞാൻ എവിടെ ഉണ്ടാവും? അവര് പോകുമ്പോഴും ഞാൻ എവിടെ ഉണ്ടാവും?
Yeah, I think everybody got the answer, isn't it? Always make sure you write the formula. What is the formula? PQ equal to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Very not that hard. So here what is your x2? Minus 1. Minus 1 minus 6. It's all your integers only. Nothing else is there. Plus minus 5 minus 7 whole square. Put a root. So minus 1 minus 6. 2 minus together becomes plus. 1. So how much is it? 5. Right?
Ma'am, why is it not minus 6 first, then minus 1?
What?
Like I took x2 as minus 6.
Yeah, you can take it. What's your answer? That's okay, no? What's your answer coming?
Ma'am, I got it wrong.
What did you get?
I got like root 119.
I got 13.
They asked you to find PQ starting from, this is your line, starting from P to Q. PQ is your line. Understand? So this is minus 6 comma 7 and this is minus 1 comma minus 5. So it's starting from P ending at Q.
Ma'am, I'll send you what I did.
Yeah, let me see your calculations also. That also matters. So this is 5 square minus plus. So plus 12 square, which will be minus 12 square, which will be 144. So that is 25 plus 144, which is under root 169, which is 13. Now, distance is not in negative, so you don't have to put negative 13. Distance is always positive.
Ma'am, it's plus 12 square?
Minus 12 square, right? Sign of the greater number.
Yeah.
Minus 5 square is 25. Minus 7. 7 minus 5. How did you get it wrong? Because minus 5 square is 25, right, Ibrahim?
And what?
Minus 5 square has to be positive 25, na? Minus into minus. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Basically, integers chapter. Do this question. We will go to little difficult ones once your basics is clear. Guys, done? Second question done? You have to
Yes.
find, huh?
Yeah, ma'am.
So what do we do? Find the value of x if the distance is 5. That means 5 is equal to under root 3 minus x whole square plus 5 plus 1 whole square. Correct? So 5 is equal to under root 3 minus x is what? You have to apply your identity. What is the identity?
How is it 5 plus 1?
5 plus 5, this is 2. Oh, that is 2. Sorry, 2 plus 1. That's my mistake. 2 minus minus 1 will become plus 1. So here we have to use the identity a minus b whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square
Ma'am, I didn't
plus.
do that.
Then
What I did was I took 2 plus 1 and made it into 3 whole square. And then I took the whole root and put it to the other side. So it becomes 25 equals to. And then I minused it with the 9 and then I did.
yeah, that's also correct. No, there also you're opening. Wait. So now
Yeah.
if I take the root to this side, this will become 25 minus 9. Then I think I can get this 9 also. Minus 9 equal to minus 6x plus x square. So how much is it? 18. 25 minus 18 is 7. Right? Minus is 7. Okay. If it is 7, x square minus 6x x square minus 6x minus 7 equal to 0. Your quadratic equation. Middle term splitting. What is it? Middle term splitting. X square, we need 6x, 7 and 6. So minus 7x plus x minus 7. Your x is common, x minus 7 plus 1 is common, x minus 7. X is equal to negative 1 or x is equal to 7. What did you get?
Ma'am, I got x is equal to 7 because I didn't do the quadratic equation.
You have to do the quadratic way here. Because x will have two values, minus 1 or 7. X will have two values, minus 1 or 7. Please do it quickly.
Feel so dizzy.
എന്താ പൊന്നെ ഇവിടെ കിടന്നോ കുറച്ചു നേരം
Okay, one same guys are like that too.
What?
Okay, one thing going to whiteboard. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.
Can you do it like another way instead of this way?
Which
For this
way?
question? The other way?
Which way?
Like the normal without the quadratic equation.
Without that is not. Without that is not possible, no? Because it is 3 minus x whole square. So you will have.
No, without quadratic equation, without everything. Just by taking the root to the other side, you get 25, and then the 3 minus x whole square will remain plus 9, and then the 9 will go to the other side minus, so it will become 16 equal to x minus 3 whole square.
That is not the correct way. If you do like that, you will get only one value for x. But you are supposed to get two values for x. നിന്നോട് പറഞ്ഞത് അപ്പൂസ കൊണ്ടുപോവാൻ
Oh shit, shut. Can't you just give me a break? I swear to God. Mama, that.
Side by side. Do this question carefully, guys. See, we are doing almost every question. So whatever questions we are doing are really important. If you do these questions properly, I think your revision also will be over for this chapter. You just have to practice properly.
I did it. My stomach hurts.
Is it?
My head also.
Oh, to the banana, coffee.
Ma'am, is the value of x 4?
For the new one?
Yeah.
For the new one?
Yes.
No. Check.
If points A and B are on like the circle with the
If the
center O,
points
does
A
that
and
mean at
B
the,
are
at the
on the
edge?
circle,
Can you just repeat what you said?
huh?
What did you say? I couldn't hear.
Yeah, A and B both are on the circle. Draw it. Then you will be
So
able
like
to relate
at the
better.
edges or like any point in the middle?
Yeah, O is in the center. On the
No,
circle
O is in
means
the
it is
center. What
on the
about A and B?
circumference.
So they're on the circumference, yeah?
It's not in the circle, it's on the circle.
Okay.
Done?
I'm almost 2 seconds.
Why? Guys, now look at this carefully. If this is my diagram, is there any
I almost got it.
is there any relationship between BO and AO?
Radius, they both are equal.
They both are radius. Very good. So BO is equal to AO. If that is the case, when you are substituting your formula under root something here and under root something here, which is what 4 minus 2 whole square plus 3 minus 3 whole square equal to x minus 2 whole square plus 5 minus 3 whole square. Root and
Mom, I
root.
got this, but how do you make x square into like an equation? X minus 2 square into equation.
Yeah, you have to open as a minus b whole square formula. Wait.
Oh, okay, like that.
Now, if this root both the side will go, 4 minus 2 is 2 square, which is 4, plus this not required, it's 0. So, equal to, again your quadratic equation comes into picture. But there is a problem, you don't even have to do that, I think. Wait. This is 2. 2 square is 4. This both are getting cut, no? So x minus 2 whole square equal to 0. So if this is equal to 0, automatically x minus 2 becomes the factor. So x is equal to 2. You won't get two answers. Correct? Because it is like when you finish it, it is exactly like the last step of a quadratic equation.
X1 I got this.
X minus 2, x minus 2. So your x is equal to 2. This question is very important, comes mostly as a MCQ. Now kids, I want to tell you something. See, this is a very recurring mistake that most of the kids do. Lot of kids do this mistake, so please understand it now itself so that when it is taught in school, you don't do it. Equidistant is one term. Equidistant is one term, and another term is midpoint. Don't ever get confused with this. If there is a line AB and this is O, if I say the whole AB is like this is 5 centimeter, this is 5 centimeter, this is the midpoint. Please understand it properly. This is the midpoint. Midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2, one of the most easiest part. How you find midpoint. Sometimes question comes as equidistant. M is equidistant from P and Q. P and wait. They are not saying M is middle point. They are saying equidistant. In this
That's the
case,
distance between them is equal.
huh?
Ma'am,
Like
I
the
don't
distance
get
between
it.
PM and MQ are equal.
What? I can't hear you.
I don't get it.
Yeah, I've not completed. Okay, listen carefully.
No, the first part itself.
See, if there is a line AB and I say O is midpoint. What do you mean by midpoint of a line? It's at the center.
Yeah.
O is midpoint means O is at the center of AB. That means if this is x1 comma y1 and this is x2 comma y2, so here the O's x-axis is the average of x1 and x2 and y is the average of y1 and y2. So we get the mid value for O, the coordinate. Did you get that?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is how you will find for midpoint. But what you have to remember is midpoint and equidistant is not same. When a question comes saying that A is equidistant from P and Q, lot of kids make the mistake of using midpoint formula, but it is not midpoint formula. It is AP equal to AQ. You have to do the distance formula only. You have to write the distance of AP is equal to the distance of AQ. Very important. This is a recurring mistake. That is why I am emphasizing on this. I am emphasizing and telling you that midpoint and equidistant is different. Okay, I have seen many kids doing this mistake. That's why I'm telling you, whenever equidistant come, you will never use midpoint formula. Midpoint word has to come, or they have to say it is bisected. When a line is bisected, if it is 10 centimeter, if it is bisected at this point 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, it is the midpoint. That is okay. But if it is equidistant, it is not midpoint. Remember that. Now let us do one question. Once you start doing it, you will find better. You just have to write this in the box. In a box, you write it equidistant is not midpoint. Do this. Is this
Can
chapter
you go to
by...
the formula again?
Huh?
Can you go to the formula again?
What is the formula? Find a point on x-axis. Oh, this also has got something. See, kids, when you're reading the question, here the point is on x-axis. When the point is on x-axis, how will be the coordinate? If a point is on x-axis, what will be the coordinate?
And
Y equals 0.
X comma 0, y should be 0. Now this point, if it is P point is equidistant from A and B. So what will you write? PA is equal to PB. A is 2 comma minus 5 and B is minus 2 comma 9. Now do it.
no, I'm getting sure the old, like the formula you did for the x minus 2 x2 by
See,
2. Can
one
you
minute.
write it
I
down?
don't want to do it. Wait, I'll show you. What is your Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square.
No, I got that. I just want like the formula. I didn't write it down. That's all.
x2 minus x1, yeah, plus y2 minus y1.
No, I didn't write it down. That's why. The bottom one.
That is midpoint formula.
Yeah, I just wanted that. I didn't write it down. Yes, I'm done.
ഇങ്ങോട്ട് വാ ഇങ്ങോട്ട് വാ കാര്യം ചോദിക്കട്ടെ അപ്പു
എന്ത്
ആ തല്ലിപ്പൊടിയാണ്
ഈ കൂളർ വർക്ക് ആവോ?
അത് നിമിഷാലത്തെ കൊണ്ടേ കൊളാക്കി കൊണ്ടുവരാം.
കൊളാക്കി
ഹോസ്പിറ്റലിൽ കൊണ്ടുപോയതാ. അതൊക്കെ
എനിക്ക് ചൂടെടുക്കില്ലേ? Damn it, just do this.
അതിന് ശേഷം ഞങ്ങൾ തുറന്നില്ല. ജംഷാദ് തന്നെ പറഞ്ഞു കേടായി.
ശരിയാക്കി തന്നാലുള്ള മര്യാദയും പറയുന്നു. ഒരു കഷ്ടം എല്ലാവരെ കൊണ്ട് നമുക്ക്
ഹോസ്പിറ്റലായിട്ട് കിടന്നു.
നല്ല നോക്കാൻ പിന്നെ ഹോസ്പിറ്റൽ ആകെ
Ma'am, can you go back to the whiteboard,
ഹോസ്പിറ്റലിലേക്ക്
please?
നമ്മൾ അച്ഛൻ മാംഗ്ലൂരിലെ കടലത്തിൽ ചൂടൊക്കെ അല്ല ആ yeah tell me guys did anybody say anything
Yeah, ma'am, can you just go back to the whiteboard, please?
I was there okay not done yet come on yaar നെഹിത് സൗണ്ട് കുറച്ചോട്ടോ you will write for this squaring both sides okay then these two will get cut minus 9 square is 81 what happened here it was not still not done guys bad a square minus 2ab plus b square plus 25 equal to a square plus 2ab plus b
Mom, I got the coordinate which is the mid, like equidistance as minus 7, comma 0.
very good that's correct tum 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 minus 8x equal to 56 so x is equal to minus 7 therefore point what's your required point point is at minus 0 comma 7 0 minus 7 comma 0 that's it guys guys from the textbook start doing exercise one side by side. I'm not asking you to do the entire thing, do little bit and see if you are able to do so that simultaneously you can clear your doubts also. Do this. അപ്പോൾ കറക്റ്റ് ചെയ്ത് നമ്മ നോക്കട്ടെ അപ്പോ
Ma'am,
yeah
I have to leave. I have like an appointment with the doctor.
ആണോ
Yeah.
what time
I'm like at 12.
അതാ okay
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
bye bye
Good works. This cat. Get out of here.
Nikhil,
Get out of here.
അങ്ങനെയല്ല അവേ നമുക്ക് രാത്രി യൂസ് ചെയ്യാം. ഇവിടെ വെള്ളമൊന്നും ഇട്ടിട്ടില്ല. We have to clean it first. നമുക്കിത് കിട്ടിയത് എത്ര നന്നാവും.
Man, we don't even need AC.
AC വേണ്ടത് ഭയങ്കര കോൾഡാണ്.
What number one? Oh, hell no, this is dirt.
ക്ലീൻ ആക്കും, നന്നായി ക്ലീൻ ചെയ്തിട്ട്
And put it up. And it is it.
കളയണം.
I think it's only from this one. There's a giant over here connected. I took this one out.
ഇതൊന്നും ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റില്ല, ഇത് ക്ലീൻ ചെയ്യാം. നീ എടുത്തിട്ട് വാ, ഒരു ചൂലോ എന്തെങ്കിലും
Should I clean this?
നമുക്ക് ക്ലീൻ ചെയ്യാം. നല്ലൊരു തുണിയും, അല്ല തുണിയല്ല, അമ്മമ്മേന്റെ
Yeah, so this one I'm getting decimal point.
Oh.
Wait.
Mom, is it 9?
This one, very good. Who got it? Ovia.
Mom, Simran.
Simran, super.
I'll just do the recalculation 2 seconds.
See here, the first thing that we have to understand is point is on the y-axis. That is, the point is here. That means it has not moved, so x is 0. So it is 0 comma y. The point is at 0 comma y and it is equidistant. So AP is equal to BP. I don't want to put the formula again. So if that is the case,
Y equal 9.
yeah, y will be equal to 9. 0 comma 6 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square equal to 0 plus 4 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square. So 36, okay. Y square plus 25 minus 10y equal to 16. I don't know. Does anybody have problem or I'm simply doing? Huh? Guys, are you able to do? Then I don't have to do. $51 minus 10y. Nobody will say anything. 25 minus 6y. So it is coming 4y equal to 30.
What a purple and what children.
Mom, is it 9?
9, yeah.
Okay. Amma, can I take this to the terrace once again?
Why?
Huh?
Why?
That's none of your business.
Huh. അങ്ങനത്തെ വർഷം ഇവരൊക്കെ ഇഷ്ടമല്ല.
Just jokes, Amma.
It's not joke, Amma.
How the hell do you take this out? Amma! How did you get Oh shit, I think it busted. Like some light came out of it. Mia പറഞ്ഞു ഇപ്പൊ വേണ്ട.
What's it, guys? Nihit ne എന്താ ചെയ്യുന്നേ? Don't wash. Wash അല്ല ചെയ്യണ്ടേ. നമുക്ക് ഞാനും വരാം, നീ ഒറ്റയ്ക്ക് ചെയ്യല്ലേ. കുറച്ച് മറ്റേ അമ്മമ്മേന്റെ റൂമിലെ യെല്ലോ കളർ നിങ്ങളെ ബോക്സിലാ മറ്റേ നമ്മൾ അവിടെ യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്ന ഡെറ്റോളിന്റെ ടിഷ്യൂ ഉണ്ട്, വെറ്റ് വെബ്. അത് 1-2 എടുത്ത് 4-5 എടുത്തിട്ട് വാ. വേണ്ട, ഞാൻ വരാം.
Just tell me. I got it. In our room or Amama's?
Okay, you take it out. It should not fall down.
Wait. In our room or Amama's?
Amama's room.
So basically the one with 2 almirahs. Got it. Let's go back up.
Do this. അത്ര വേണ്ട.
How the hell do you open this? Does she even use these? Brother,
ഇവിടേക്ക് കൊണ്ടോ, അമ്മയും ചെയ്യാം.
Brother, this is disgusting. This part is the hard part. Oh, disgusting. Disgusting. I need this over laptop. Okay, this is not. I'm gonna do this part. I'm scared. Oh, do they even use this?
No.
Why the heck do they have it? Okay, this is disgusting. 1 second. This is disgusting. What? Endama? So thought.
Done, guys?
Thank you.
Mama, can I have one? Mama, can you grab me one? This is sturdy. It's sturdy. And off your goddamn mic.
What happened? Any doubt? X coordinate of a point is twice its y coordinate. So what is happening? Where is the point?
Ma'am, so x is 2y, yeah?
Yeah.
So p is 2y, comma y.
Yeah.
Okay.
When I sent you a picture, I think I made a mistake. I'm not sure where.
Ayo, how will I watch my mobile? Wait, let me stop sharing. No. That 2y concept is only for one point, right?
Ma'am, you stopped sharing your screen.
Yeah, when you find one point, the other point is twice of the point you found.
That's only for one point. It's not for other.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Huh?
Ma'am, I have to go out somewhere, so I have to leave now.
Okay, Fatima. I think I'm also stopping after this question.
Ma'am, so can I leave now?
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am, bye.
Bye. Guys, like see, this thing, point P is twice its y coordinate is only for one point of a point P, only for P. That means for P it is 2y comma y, because earlier it was x comma y, but x is equal to twice y. So this is the coordinate for P. For others it is 2 minus
Yes,
5
I
and
got
this.
that. But I'm not sure where I made a mistake.
I think you wrote y twice. Wait, I'll show you. So if this is the case, PQ is equal to PR. That means under root will get cut. I am not writing. So x minus 2 whole square plus y. You have yours.
Ma'am, isn't it?
The air conditioner. Okay.
Yeah, it is 2y. Okay, I'll write it.
Okay, done.
2y minus 2 whole square plus y plus 5 whole square equal to 2y plus 3 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square, right? Everything you will have to open with that identity only. A
No,
square.
I did this, but like I did the other way around. I did 2 minus 2y,
That's okay.
like that.
That is not a problem in this. I think opening the brackets would have been the problem. Did you open with the identity throughout?
Yes, ma'am.
Wait, then I will check. My God, so much is there. Y square.
No, I found the mistake.
Okay. 4y square. 4y square. Which one? Hmm. Yeah. 12y minus 12y. How much is left now? Minus 8y and 10, so that is 2y.
2y plus 29.
Yeah, 2y plus 29
And on
equal
the
to,
right-hand side, it's...
huh?
No, I'm just
45,
saying.
right?
Yeah.
So 2y equal to 45 minus 29, 12, 15. 15 minus 9, how much? 16, right?
Y is 8.
So y is 8. Correct? How is this chapter compared to surface area volume?
None better.
Yeah,
Easy.
this is interesting also. Okay, so we will I wonder. Yeah, Pranath, you wonder. Seriously. Taran. So we will continue tomorrow, guys. Okay, this is an interesting chapter. Slowly, once you get the hang of it, you will be fine. Means by tomorrow's class, you all should be fine. Okay. Do a little bit of practice at home. Do
Can you show the answer
NCRT.
again?
Huh?
Like, can you show the answer again?
Do a little bit of NCRT questions also. Okay. Okay, guys.
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo. Then
I'm
we'll
gonna
meet
send you the picture. Can you just tell me what's wrong? I can't find it.
your portion.
Yeah. I'm gonna send a new pic.
See, this is not 4y na. See where you have put an arrow mark. You have written 4 plus 4y square. It's not 4y. It has to be 8y minus 8y. 2ab.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Well,
Those who are done can leave, guys. No issues.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.
Bye,
yeah,
ma'am.
then I still
Practice at
can't
home
get it
little
spot
bit.
wrong.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah.
And
Wow.
even then, I can get a proper answer.
Now you're correct?
No, ma'am, it's still 20y equals 16.
Wait. So that was one error. Let me see the other. That is 8y, right? A square minus 2ab.
Ma'am.
Bye bye. See, your signs are also different.
Ma'am, I think the signs are correct.
This one sign is correct. Plus 25. Yeah, here it will be. What is this?
That's 25 plus 4y square
Wait. Why is
plus
it
10.
4y square?
Because, oh, yeah. No, that's just y square. That's plus.
Plus y square. Okay.
Yeah,
And then this is
plus 10y.
plus 10y. Okay. Mm, Here 9 plus 4y square minus, it is not 6, it is 12y, and it should not be 6, it should be plus, right? A and B are both negative,
Oh,
and it should be 12y.
okay, so it cuts out.
Identity you have used wrong.
Ma'am, so what is y equal to again?
8.
Yes, ma'am, I got 8 now.
Hmm?
I got 8 now. I got the answer. Yes, ma'am, thank you.
Sure. Bye bye.